I've helped hundreds of beginners learn embroidery with one simple method. It's called stitch by numbers. It's like paint by numbers, but with thread. You just trace or print, watch the videos, and start stitching. No stress, no guesswork. If you've always wanted to learn embroidery but felt overwhelmed, then this is for you. Inside the Stitch by Numbers course, I'm going to teach you 22 essential stitches step by step and give you printable templates, a printable full-colour PDF workbook, and everything you need to actually finish your first project. It's beginner-friendly, it's relaxing, and you'll be stitching in minutes. So let's take a look at the video component of the course. At the beginning here, you can see the downloads. I then have numerous videos on starting your course, including going through the workshop and how to use your sheets. The 22 stitches are below. In each video for the stitches, I will go through your stitch by number sheet and then show you how to do the stitch on the sampler. At the end, I have some basic embroidery instructions for transferring patterns and everything you need to get started on your first template. Just click the button below and get started today.